Hi guys, Tessa here today, and I'm going to be making a DIY glitter collage board. So I got this frame from Target in the dollar section for $5, but I did not like the outside of the frame, so I just decided to paint it white with acrylic paint. Next, I went on Pinterest to just find a ton of photos that I liked, and I saved them to a Google Doc to print out on my printer next. This took a long time, that's why it is sped up super fast. And I also used a few of my own photos to just get a few of my own memories in this frame. So now I have printed out all the photos and I'm just using basically a giant scissor here in a way to get all of the unnecessary white edges out of the photos. Next, you have to lay out the photos how you would like them, and once you have finished laying them out, make sure to take a photo of it for the next step. Now it's kind of sad, but you have to take off all of the photos that you just laid out. So now we're going to start to use the Mod Podge, and make sure that you buy glossy Mod Podge and it will look so much better. So take your paintbrush with the Mod Podge and just put it on the bottom of the frame and add photos as you go on, and the Mod Podge dries relatively quickly, so you're going to want to do it kind of one at a time. And this is the step where your photo will come in handy to have on the side so that you can do this quickly. And I didn't do a very good job of this, but on your photo, just watch what overlaps each other in your layout, because I had to kind of unpeel and peel back, and I just made it a lot more work than it could have been. And just keep doing this until you are completely done. Now once you have completed that step, you're going to use your paintbrush again to take the Mod Podge and just cover all the photos. Next is the fun part with the glitter. I chose mainly pink and silver, but I added a little bit of black to my mixture. So you are just going to take the glitter of your choosing and mix Mod Podge with it in a little cup until you have your desired glitter mixture. In the end, I realized I did a little too much glitter, but it's all okay. And like I'm doing here, you just take your glitter mixture and cover your whole frame with it. It's gonna look very white and foggy at first, but don't worry, it's gonna be okay. And these are the results after just less than a day. It becomes clearer and clearer as time goes on. And please let me know if you make this. I would totally love to see it. Thank you so much for watching, and please give this a like if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!